The river in this cottonwood valley accepted the red willow's limb, pulling it down from the mountain to Medicine Lake. Many summers later, the lake was nearly dry. Water crept away, but it rarely rained. A stranger to these woods, the wolf wryly explored the dry river bank. Her attention was caught by the rosy stick. She arrived at a stand, panting with the gusty wind. The good energy she felt drove her to take the stick. She took it on a run and danced with it through dry leaves and over fallen trees. As her paws whispered through the yellow grass, clouds crept across the sun. She came upon a herd of wild horses. They accepted her energy and galloped across the meadow, churning the clouds. Their hooves pounded lightning bolts. The stream of horses rushed under the diving peregrine. When he clapped his wings, thunder rolled across the stormy sky.